All right, recording in progress. So today is the 29th June. Half a year gone, guys. 29th June 2025, and we are at a Sunday fun aging call. Last call was so yummy with curry. Let's see who else we can invite to our calls on Sunday calls. And all the DJCCs and all the best juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkid them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pud, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. So today the topic is inclusive universe. So my first question to you guys is it? What do you get? What energy do you get? Is it an inclusive universe? And what does inclusive mean? Even mean?
I to feel that I'm the universe.
Awesome. Anybody
Hmm.
else?
Inclusive
Hi,
universe is
Kavita. Lovely,
oneness.
Kavita. Lovely to see you after such a long time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Always welcome. Whenever you
Thank you.
show up.
Yeah.
Okay, so universe.
Inclusive
What
universe
is
is
universe? What do you know about universe?
right now it's like me myself.
Yeah. आपको क्या लगता है जीना यूनिवर्स का क्या है यूनिवर्स
I feel everything around me. I feel everything around me is the universe.
and are you in it or not?
Yes, I am a part of it. Yes.
Yeah. If you're not part of it, then there's no fun, no? And if you are part of it, but do you recognize it? You
Not
can't
really.
be you can't
Not
be
really.
not part of it, right? We can't be not part of the family, but we still exclude ourselves. We can't be not part of the plants, the trees, the flowers in our house, but we think they are separate. Everywhere we separate, we are not including ourselves. Whereas it's an inclusive universe, आप किसी चीज को बाहर नहीं निकाल सकते. Just close your eyes and spread out. Just by saying, some people might be thinking kaise, but no, just by saying, just by willing to spread out, just by willing to expand yourself, way beyond wherever your being wants to go, wherever, how far, millions of miles, all in all directions. Can you go? You can. Can you be with me here in this moment? Can you give me a hug? It is hard to explain, but you know it. Trust your knowing. If you were to see yourself through the eyes of consciousness, if you're not looking at the mirror and all those judgments and points of views, the projections that people have thrown at you, and oh God, 1 minute. Let's go let's go live on Facebook and live on Insta Live. We are live on Facebook and we are live on Insta Live. How does it get any better than that? And so today is the 29th June 2025, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging Call. All the DJCCs and PES juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkid them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, poads, bases, patients, and beyonds. Okay, so the topic is inclusive universe. So I was just talking before I switched on the Insta Live and Facebook. Can you exclude yourself? Even how much ever you try. Oh, I am not part of this family. They are the ones who throw me out. No, you are the one. If you recognize how you are part of everything on the planet, every being, every plant, every animal, every blade of grass, everything, you are the universe, like Param said. You cannot be separate. It's like the drop in the ocean. You are unique and to yourself, and yet you are part of that ocean. So I was saying, if you saw yourself through the eyes of consciousness, through the eyes of oneness, what would you see? Anybody here?
Total beauty and total potency. And it's like a just energy and nothing else. No judgment, no point of view.
Yeah. And why don't you do that? Why do we choose? What makes us choose different? What makes us choose wrongness? What makes us choose we are not enough? We are not all that we are. You can be all that you can be. Are you choosing that? And everybody has a different version of what that is for them. If you could see yourself through the eyes of consciousness, who and what would you see? Anybody else? Thank you, Angela. Hi, Manisha.
Kamal, it is like seeing a child through mother's eyes. माँ के लिए अपना बच्चा सबसे खूबसूरत होता है, चाहे वो कैसा भी हो, है ना? And what will it take for us to be that energy?
Yeah.
Thank you for this awareness. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Would you see yourself as less, as not
Never.
enough?
Never ever.
Or would you see the unfathomable, undefinable, inconceivable you, the monster of miracles you truly be? That you could no longer deny or refuse. Everywhere you have been refusing and denying the truth of you. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate that today, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, questions, and beyond. Hi, Betty. Welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And Angela is helping me hosting this and helping people to join in. Sometimes when people join in and I'm so engrossed, I don't even see it. But it's so nice to have you here, darling. I'm
Thank you.
so inspired. It's 4:30 there, and she's you are saying 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock is far. Look at her. She's here in the South Africa. It is 4:30 in the morning.
Yes, it's 4 o'clock.
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, 4:30 is right. 4:30 is right. Yep. Okay.
So
Have a wonderful session.
Yes, please. Yes, please. So all that I just said, you are that. There is you that has this level of power, potency, miraculousness that no one and nothing else has ever seen, or nothing on the planet can stop it. You're unstoppable if you are. अगर आप अपनी आई पे आ जाओ, जब आप कुछ चुनना चाहते हो और अपनी आई पे आ जाते हो, कोई रोक सकता है आपको? ट्रूथ. हाय रूपल. कोई रोक सकता
Hi,
है?
good morning. Hi.
हाय. कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको जब आप अपनी आई पे आ जाओ तो. यू आर अनस्टॉपेबल. हाय अनिल. वेलकम. So what if you had the key to create more for you and for the planet? In every area of your life, in every area, wherever you walk, wherever, whoever you touch, just by your walking, just by you being the symphony of possibility, walking can shift and change the energy of people around or things around. What do you know that you are denying, that you're refusing, that you know? And if you could just be it and choose it, there's nothing that you can't have or choose or create or add, or I can go on and on. And everything doesn't allow you to be you in every now moment. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? It's so powerful. That's who you are. And consciousness doesn't create kachra, right? Universe, God, he, she, it, higher power, whoever you think created you think they create kachra? If you weren't following anyone, if you were not following this manual handed over to you, if you were not listening or you're not bought into whatever you were told growing up, and let consciousness lead you, what would that be like? Consciousness has no religion, no belief, no ideology, no gender, no sexuality, no race, no age, no nationality. You chose to be born to this family in this religion. All this separation was created on the planet. You are just consciousness. All of us are doing access. Lots and lots of people on the planet are doing access consciousness. How many of us are doing consciousness? What do you mean by that, Kamal? I can hear you guys say, what is consciousness? What is leading consciousness? What is following consciousness? Because we are judging every choice we make, and we are judging every choice anybody else makes. Where's the consciousness in that? Gary Douglas, access consciousness is the only modality which has the definition of consciousness. Consciousness. What is consciousness? Everything exists and nothing is judged. Where everything exists and nothing is judged. How many of you are, every choice you make, you go into right choice? Oh my God, I should do the right choice. I should not do the wrong choice. If you are doing access and consciousness, that is the miracle. That is the recipe for miracles. Miracles will come to you. That power of law of attraction. You will attract every moment of every day. Be magical. So every time you're choosing something, ask a question. Will this create consciousness? If it is light, if it's airy, if it's fun to choose, and you didn't have any other point of view, पैसा नहीं है, time नहीं है, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, लोग क्या कहेंगे, and you just chose it, where will that lead you? So be the miracle, guys. My whole life I spent looking for approval. None of you have done that, right? Looking for approval from my mother, because I lived with her till she died for so many years. My husband died and I shifted with her. Every time it was looking for how do I get her approval. I was doing Access at that time. Was I really doing Access at that time? No. But that time I just started. She died in 2013 and I just started in 2011. So why do we look for approval? Because you don't believe in yourself, because you are not in allowance of yourself. If you were in allowance of whatever you did and there was nothing wrong that you ever did, would you even look at somebody else for your approval? So everywhere you're looking for approval, first shift to you are the infinite being and you have never done anything wrong and you will never do anything wrong and you are not doing anything wrong. You cannot do, there is no wrongness. There's only a choice that did not work. Okay, next. Hi, Pradama. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, Shubha. Hi, Chatley. Welcome. Isha. Lovely to have you guys here. So, the topic today is inclusive universe. Universe is inclusive. You cannot exclude anybody. Like we were talking yesterday or day before, I think on a free call, that can somebody you don't like, something you don't like, can you exclude it from your universe? No. It stays rent-free in your head. "24/7, running the tape in your head. So, there's no fun in excluding people. What if you could exclude everybody? That doesn't mean you become a doormat. You choose what works for you. Create an energy that does not have, that has a level of, how to put it? And how would you do that, by the way? To be aware and to be present, to be there in every now moment and get the energy of what is, your body is a barometer. Your body always lets you know, all those informations are coming from your body. Do it, don't do it, choose it, don't choose it, not for you, for you. If you learn to recognize those, would you ever exclude anything?
ये अपनी बॉडी पे भरोसा नहीं रहता। ये सही बता रही है क्या?
इसको 3 बार बोलो मनीषा।
अपनी बॉडी पे भरोसा नहीं रहता, अपनी बॉडी पे भरोसा नहीं रहता, अपनी बॉडी पे भरोसा नहीं रहता।
Is that true? All the shikus and all the
No.
Implants and explants and all the Mobius strips underneath that's holding that in place, would you be willing to destroy and unpaid it all? Right, wrong, good,
Yes.
Crawford, all 100 shots, boys, Pavaz, basis, questions, and beyond. Guys, whatever this blah, blah, blah I'm doing is declaring statement of access consciousness, is the magic. If you want to know more about it, it works, even if you don't understand it. But if you really want to know more about it, go to theclearingstatement.com. We have this need to contribute. This is our innate ability and capacity. Wherever you are sitting, if somebody has, say, a cough, one person will say, oh, इसके साथ ये खा लो, अदरक के साथ शहद ले लो, काली मिर्च में शहद डाल लो, गरम गरम दूध में हल्दी डाल लो. Everybody will give you a solution to your throat problem. We are that kind, loving, caring, need to contribute people. It's not wrong. It's only wrong when you force it on people, when people don't ask you. How much you judge yourself for not being enough of a contribution to your family, to your children, to yourself to comes last, to you in your job and everywhere, which is a lie that you keep telling yourself. Because you're judging yourself constantly. Everything that's heavy, everything that's judging is not light and fun. So please, that's a lie. Everything that brought up in your lives, would you be willing to destroy and unpaid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic patience and beyond. Hi, Sunita. Ruxana. Sachin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, I see on Angela, I see on YouTube and I see on Facebook people who are in different places, but they show on the same platform. How does that happen? Like, could we show Gary? Could we show Curry also on the Insta Live or on Zoom? Like you guys are there, she could also be there by joining the
Insta Live?
No, the Facebook and the Zoom, she was there. But on Facebook and on Insta Live, she wasn't. Just check if we can do that.
I'll check today.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
So, we're talking about inclusive universe. What do you get?
So when you talk about inclusive universe, there is no separation and life becomes so easy. I mean, like, there'll be no judgment because everything and everyone is just a mirror.
Exactly. If they've come into
And
your
how
world, you
can
ask
we-
them to come.
Yeah, so they are showing some trait that we already, a part of us they are showing. So how can there be judgment? How can there be hatred? How can there be separation?
Yeah. So beautifully put. To function from that space, to function from that space of possibility, that space of awareness, requires you to live in a non-contextual reality. When you function from non-contextual reality, when you function from non-contextual awareness, your universe is different. Things come together quickly and easily. Everything falls in place simultaneously. We went to Pakistan for an international festival, theater festival, and there was this big, they had put the entrance, they had put the canvas on both sides, and they'd ask the school children to draw whatever they wanted to draw in it, which is a beautiful idea. And at one place it was written, if war came and I wasn't there, something like that to the effect. I don't know the exact word. They were so beautiful, those words were. If I come to me, I'll write it down in the group. If war comes and we are not there, who are they going to fight with? This contextual reality that we are living in, if we didn't have any of that, because when we are doing this contextual universe construct, we must out of necessity do judgment and answers. You constantly have to measure where you fit, where you benefit, where you win, where you lose. Like you so beautifully said, that if you were not doing that, would that energy be there anyway? No.
Will there be wars only if there is no?
Will there be wars? Yeah.
Yeah.
एक बड़ा सुंदर गाना था जो अभी बच्चों ने गाया था पीछे about the war, which I had posted in quite a few groups. It is beautiful. So what energy, space, consciousness are you being? Are we all being? To be the really us we don't really like. And everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, provide, basis, creations, and more. Do you like yourself when you do anger, when you do judgment, when you do... मैं तो गुस्सा करके बच्चों को रोने बैठ जाती थी. किसी के साथ किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, उसको जवाब देके घर आके अपने आप को बीट करने लग जाती थी कि मेरे को क्या जरूरत थी ऐसे करने की. None of you have done that, right? Do you feel joyful and happy after being angry and after being judging others and judging yourself? Never. That's not you. Whoever you're with, whatever you're looking at, what energy, space, consciousness can you be to contribute to that? So that it generates and creates and institutes more in not only your life, but in the life of others, in everybody else's life. What energy, space, consciousness can you be, can we all be, that will allow a total change on this beautiful planet? What would the planet look like if nobody judged anybody?
Golden planet.
Yeah. मेरे को लगता है enough हो गया, बंद हो जाना चाहिए. It's so beautiful it was. Really, when I have no point of view, when I'm going to do something and I am like in the energy of wow, I'm choosing it, it will be done. That faith, that knowing, ask and you shall receive. Things just fall in place like magic. And everywhere we are not choosing that. Every molecule in the universe has consciousness, guys. If you are that consciousness of joy and expansion and ease, every molecule desires that. It gets attracted to you. It's like chal fit, sare chalte hain. Let's all go together and do it. Whenever you think things are not moving as fast as you would like, ask a question. Hey, where am I obstructing this? I know universe is with me. Universe has my back. It's an inclusive universe. I choose something. The whole universe is there with me to contribute to me. So if there is something that's stopping it and if things are not moving fast, what is it that I'm choosing? What's going in my head? What's coming out of my mouth? Am I making any sense, guys? Do you have any questions? Come on, let's hear your questions.
I have a question, Kamal.
Go for it, girl.
So, with me, I can say that at times making choices like, there's a lot of head tripping in. So, what can I be and do to just choose, just.
It's actually building a muscle. When something is light and airy and your whole being desires to have it, that is telling you go for it. But we have entrained our mind so much to come and tell us, no, ये नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं, ये क्या कहेगा, वो क्या होगा, पैसे नहीं आएंगे. All those things just keep then clouding you. And then the moment I would ask, what energy, space, consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in this? When we are not willing to be the energy, space, and consciousness that generates different possibilities, then we function from this reality, then we function from contraction, then we give power to this head, the mind tripping we go into. But if you know what is your target of life? Is your target to get a car or to get a house or to see your children married, or are those targets even yours?
No, it's just to
And if
be.
those targets are in your life, hi Chaman, lovely to have you here. So if your targets are only to these minimal material things, then you're not functioning from consciousness. In the beginning, when I came to Access and I heard this, that you have to have a bigger target, then only, and all the small things are included in that, right? If you're asking for ease, joy, and glory, then do you need to ask for a car or a house or a husband or a partner or a child or whatever? Blah, 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 blah. No, you're asking for ease, joy, and glory. That includes everything. I did not get it. I was like, इसको solve करो पहले. इसको सॉल्व, ये पहले हो जाए सॉल्व, फिर मैं और कुछ सोचूंगी. पहले मैं अपना सोचूंगी, मैं घर में खुशी होंगी तो, बिकॉज आई सेड कि अगर इफ यू आर हैप्पी देन यू कैन. Before Access, all other modalities told me that if you must focus on yourself. If you are happy, then you can spread that happiness. It will overflow to everybody else. So I was so adamant कि पहले तुम give me what I want. I was asking only selfishly what I wanted. But today I get it. You get it when you get it. You don't get it every time somebody tells you something. You get it. It's there and you get it when you get it. And when I got this, that, oh my God, if I had a bigger version, if I had a bigger target of ease, joy, glory on the planet, then what would my choices be? Then what would I choose? What would I create? Where would I go? Then all these things would be important. We in Access talk about willingness to lose everything. I wasn't getting that time. They say, if you are willing to lose everything, then you can have everything. It did not make any sense to me, sorry, at that time. But after coming to Access for around 14 years in Access, I started getting That losing doesn't mean losing, it's being willing to not be attached to it and not make it important and significant in your life. You are the topmost priority. If you made this, you can make more. It's not about losing it. I became willing to lose everything. And look where I am today. I was like working like mad and I didn't have any bank balance. Now I work when I want to, when I desire, and I do everything else. I do swimming, I go for dance, I go for parties, I go invite people over, having lots of fun. There was no fun in my life, guys. It was forced fun. I knew from within that fun was necessary and I would choose it. But when nobody else would choose it, I would go into the wrongness of me. कि मेरे को क्यों चाहिए ये? I used to be in other modalities and tell them, chalo, chalo, ye karte hain. Let's go this, let's do this, let's go to the lake, let's go and sit there and dance, let's go. And people wouldn't join me. And I would feel like, what's wrong with me? Why am I doing this? People are so focused. They do things that they want to do. I don't even know what I'm focused at. I don't even know what I want. Everywhere we've all made ourselves wrong for anything, good, bad, or ugly. Because in reality, you are never wrong. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic cases and beyond. Hi, Renu. Indu, lovely to have you here. How did I get so lucky? So many people here. The thing is that we've always been seeking to fit in. We've been taught, we've grown up seeing our people fit in. When we went for a party, wear this, they will like it. Let's give them this gift, they will like. That is, even today I do that. What would they like? And then choose that. But it wasn't from that. It was from the energy of that we should fit in, that we should belong, that we should be appreciated. Today it is that what would it take for them to enjoy what I gift? It was about getting on. It was about, ye bhi chalo, ye duty hai, let's finish this also. Oh, Vanita. Hi. It wasn't about actually being. It wasn't about me being me. Was I functioning from consciousness? No. Lack of consciousness. So I'm sure all of you are aware of what will create consciousness. But do we always choose it? So ask a question to get the clarity. Will this awareness create more consciousness for me and for the planet? You choose it, planet has it. It becomes available for everybody to choose it. You have to ask yourself, what can I be that will create more consciousness on the planet? What can I be that will create more consciousness on the planet? So what are the side effects of consciousness? Anybody here? If you're being conscious, what do you get? What are the side effects?
Ease, joy, glory.
Yeah. Capacity. Awareness of that capacity. When you get that, you get the power with you. And what does this awareness and the capacity and the ability and the knowing that you are the power, what do that create? Miracles and magic. And one of the most or greatest side effects of consciousness is having more allowance for yourself. First, you have allowance for yourself, you have allowance for everybody else. These telenovela serials that we see in India and abroad, where people choose, oh, I didn't do it, why should they do it? Do it, no, so that you have, you give freedom to the others to do it too. How many women have lived their lives doing nothing, only doing the best and the right and the correct, and they wouldn't want their daughters and their daughter-in-laws to go beyond that. They say, oh, I never did it, why should they do it? So damn it, do it so that you're free and give freedom to others to do it too. Wouldn't you want a world where everybody is happy? More allowance for yourself. When you have more allowance for yourself, you have more allowance for everything. Less judgment of you. That is another side effect of consciousness. As I travel this journey, been conscious journey for last 14 years, my body overrides the food. Yesterday I ordered food from cream chawla chicken and I did not ask myself. I just ordered. I ordered having the point of view that my daughter who lives with me would like it. Ordered naan because she likes naan. Ordered chicken because I am not so crazy about chicken. Not crazy at all about chicken nowadays. I don't know why. I didn't have it. I had it, but I didn't enjoy it. Was I functioning from consciousness? No. You get to see the crazy choices you make when you're conscious. And it's
And
harder
Kamal,
to. Yes, go for it.
the family, whenever we go out to eat, my husband is always like, you choose something which is very weird and different. तुम regular नहीं कुछ खाना खा सकती हो because my body is not asking. So yesterday same thing happened. We went out for dinner. We had pizza because my body wanted to have it, and he ordered some meal bowl dal wal, and he was like, खा लो. मेरे अंदर ही नहीं जा रहा था वो इतना वो हो गया है. Body is like now
Yeah.
नहीं खाना है ये.
Yeah, my old Kamal would be, यार ये खा लो, लाए हो तो खा ही लो, वेस्ट किया है, पैसे दिए हैं. But now the body overrides it. I don't want it. So everything that brought up. Hi, Ria. Lovely to have you guys here. I hope it's a contribution. I'm so grateful. So, is it an inclusive universe? And does the universe has your back? And more people, when you choose consciousness, people around you become more potent as they get more conscious too. How often Gary has said that you pay for it and people in your family benefit with it. People get more, what is potent? Potent is, in this rest of the world, people call it power. The ability to create change, the ability to say no to what doesn't work for you. It's got a strength of its own. It's like having a sense of or knowing of what you desire and what you desire in your life. It starts to increase because you're becoming more aware. You are breaking down the walls of judgment, and it becomes easier for you to see through things. And even anger doesn't become a big thing. You get to realize that these are distractor implants and they are just distracting you, and you become aware of them. Like there are, I think, 20, 25 you count. I will tell you because I have. Hi Ritu, lovely to have you here. You become aware, you count them. I've rattled them, so I can tell you which are the distractor implants: anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, fear, doubt. Oh my God, I bragged, I knew. Jealousy, love, business, peace.
Sex, perverted point of views, compulsive point of
Yeah,
views,
those two perverted point of views.
business.
Business, I did say. Yeah, all of those. I can write them in the group later when I get it. You brag and you don't. You don't remember them. So, how many of you, after coming to Access, have got more aware of where you're functioning from, and would you still want to choose that or not? Even if you choose it, it's not wrong or right, but you're aware of what you're choosing, right? And also, you become more aware of everybody and everything around you. Earlier also you came to know what were people saying did not match what was going in their head. And then you doubted yourself and you made yourself wrong कि ये तो बेचारा ऐसे कह रहा है और मेरे को क्यों लग रहा है कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है. But now you know. Yes, that's not true. उसके सिर में कुछ something else is going in his head, and some what is coming out of the mouth, it doesn't match the frequency. And you don't make yourself wrong. And this is like, wow, you start trusting yourself. You are amazed at what else is possible. You're amazed at how people function. And you can pat yourself from where you are coming from and where you are willing to change. Most of the people who are not functioning from consciousness do not want to change. They love where they are. They will make everybody else wrong and them right. I was one of them. Wasn't willing to see the beauty around me. And I now see that the less judgment you have in your world, more beautiful people come into your world. Your eyes open up to beauty way beyond. You see birds, you see flowers, you see plants. You can appreciate them. You're willing to see the beauty of your being. When you see it in you, you're able to see it in others. This I even knew, but I didn't know the crux and the real deep meaning of that. कोई मुझे पहले कुछ अप्रिशिएट करता तो मैं कहती थी आपकी आंखों में आप हो इतने ब्यूटीफुल, इसीलिए you are beautiful, that's why you see beauty in others. But did I really recognize that? No. Today I know that somebody is appreciating. Where is it coming from? What energy are they being when they are appreciating you? Look at the world we live in. We are not willing to see the beauty. We're not willing to see the kind people, the caring people. We're not willing to be it ourselves because we want to fit in. We want to do everything exactly the way other people are doing. And I'm so beautiful that I'm amongst people doing access consciousness. It's such a beautiful, even if all of us are not perfect, we keep making whatever, choosing something that's unconscious and then get to consciousness. But at least we are on the journey. Being with those people on the journey of what else is possible and how does it get any better than is full of gratitude for that. Every time I get stuck in or see a trauma drama going on, it's like I'm not there. I don't want to be in this. This is not me. This is not my reality. Earlier, I used to plonk myself and tell them I am more aware than they are. I must tell them what it is. No, mind your own business. When you learn for yourself, it gets more clear. When somebody else tells you what you need to do, you'll never do. And also, I've started recognizing. Hi, Neelam. Beautiful. And also, one more thing that I've started recognizing is what's fun? And if it is not fun for me, bye bye. What you find fun, what turns you on, what you find interesting is completely different than what we brought up growing up, what was fun. Or what everybody else says is fun. Yes, it might be fun for them. What's fun for you? I've started to explore that. You might say, too late, Kamal. But no, it's not too late, never too late. Never give up, never give in, never quit. It begins when you're willing to choose it, when you're willing to choose what's true for you. There were so many things that I gave up, thinking, oh my God, I'm 60, I'm 62. How can I choose this? I'm getting old. Who's old? Not me. So what's true for you that you have never acknowledged? Would be a brilliant question to ask. What's possible for you that you have never considered? What do you desire that you never tapped into? You never looked at, you just ridiculed it, you just dismissed it. Would you be willing to ask these questions and be aware and choose it? And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncarry on? ये जो मैं blah 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 करती हूँ, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, basis, questions and beyonds, आप पूछोगे ये क्या बाबा बाबा करती है? ये clearing statement है. ये energy जो भी वो question पूछने से आती है, it gets dissipated and it changes things. So even if you don't know what it is, you can use it. You can just say whatever Kamal said or whatever, or just say POC and POD. It will work. But if you want to know more about it, go to theclearingstatement.com. This is for the benefit of InstaLive and Facebook. There are lots of people there. Ronaldo, welcome. How is Jitinder Kaur Arora not on our Zoom and on Insta Live? I don't like it. Who cares what you like, Kamal? Everything that brought up in everybody's world would consciousness is to let people be where they are, be in allowance of it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provides basic questions and beyond. Totally free, total freedom to be or let people be. It's really beautiful. I had no idea what fun was. And I went to the wrongness.
कंवल जी 9 बज गए.
Oh, thank you so much. Guys, I'm so grateful each one of you to come early morning on a Sunday day and be here with me. I'm so very grateful. A tight hug to each one of you for being here, and I hope it was a contribution.
It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful call. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Kamal.
Thank you for
Thank you for
receiving.
being in my universe and everybody. Thank you.
Thank
so
you. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Kaval.
I love you. Okay, guys, on Facebook, I'm so grateful that you guys were here and thank you for being here. And I hope it was a contribution. We see you on next Sunday with another topic. Anybody has a topic for the next Sunday? Or if it comes up, please do write in the group. Sorry, Betty, sometimes I go into my own language tangent, then I remember you are here and I change it. I hope it wasn't too much of Hindi in it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. All is well. Take care.
Okay, thank you, Insta Live, guys. Bye-bye. And let's stop the recording. Why is my cursor not moving? It's stuck.